It's a big day, motherfuckers. It's a big day.
This nigga finally got a job.
Don't say I finally. I finally got back into work.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, bro. But you know, that ain't gonna stop shit. Still gonna get our little smoke session real quick. That nigga finna go to work, and I'm finna go to work. What you gotta say to the people real quick?
And get high. You know, wake up day. All right.
Hey, nigga, it's 420 every single day. What you talking about?
Been up back, I'm strong. The right mindset put on. She wanna lick on my body. I told her bitch stop it, told her bitch be gone. The niggas can't even copy the style, that's why I be on my own. She said that I was a weird ass nigga, still sucked it like a pizzone. She was out of her time, but that I had to kick her out of my phone. Never say he a fan of me, but really that boy my clone. I had to make a decision. Keep going, no intermission. She ain't even wanna phone with me when I told her I wasn't Christian. Big niggas don't even wanna speak on me cause I know I knock them out existence. You
Nigga Brad, it's the nigga Prince. Your boy just got off of work. That nigga been off of work, and we finna go smoke and then go hit the Amazon spheres of downtown. Like I said, lots of vegetation and just multiple different spheres mashed together.
Vegetation?
Yes, vegetation.
This nigga. Oh, they ain't getting this back, by the way. This is more.
Nigga gonna be a visitor forever.
God. We out here, baby. I'm hating for black.
Hello.
Black power.
This is why I cannot bring you.
I'm black. Oh.
I'm going through this.
No, I'm gonna step in.
Go for it. Go for it. It's a walking path. This nigga thought he couldn't do it. Ooh. This is our plant right here.
Dutchman's pipe. Hey.
Oh God.
This is me, man.
Wow. What's that? Rama from South America and Centralia. Oh, there's like fuzz on it. You can see it. Oh shit, it feels like a caterpillar.
Oh God.
It felt like a caterpillar. Imagine one of these was just poisonous and they just had it out.
Yeah, that'd be stupid.
I just had to put. Ooh, I can imagine like it's a bug.
Oh yeah.
Coming out of nowhere.
Whoa. I know you can't do it. Yeah. I know you can't. Yeah.
This is actually a lot nicer than I thought it was. I'm not gonna lie. The tree house. Oh my God, why are these loose? Why are these loose? Fucking monkey.
Look.
That's a fucking penis.
I'm out of here.
It's a penis.
There's no way that's not a penis.
They got the ball right here. See the balls?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Balls over. The long.
I'm gonna kill my mom.
Kill my mom. I'm kill my dad. I'm kill my grandma.
We're in the public market.
Pike Place Market, bitch.
Like, it's not. There's no bitch. You gonna have motherfuckers saying it's Pike Place Market, bitch. I'm down here late, so everything's about to be closing up and shit.
Hey guys, look. So look, fun fact. I like actually shot my first music video.
Wow.
I actually loved,
Post Alley.
bro. This was like one of the first places I came when I started taking photos too.
Oh my God, I'm running that shit.
Running the what?
Yeah, fucking.
I'm Timothy, nigga. We're going on a trip.
We're going on a trip on a baby rocket ship. Show me through the sky. Little Einstein.
Yeah, loom.
I was actually gonna try to say it, but I said, fuck that.
It's an umbrella that's getting blown in the wind.
Bro, tell me why. I actually thought that shit was, you know what?
You got it, dude.
I don't know what you play with, Batman. What's that shit called, bro?
Huh? Badminton?
Yeah, Batman. I said Batman. That's crazy. Swaggies, baby.
Copy, nigga.
Who baby is that, bro? Who baby?
Oh.
Who baby? Who baby is that? They need to get that kid. He
Look at this
running
dude.
out. And there ain't no parents out about. The fuck? Look at the cars. Look at the pretty ass fucking cars.
I know exactly
Psych.
where we're going.
That bitch dirty as fuck. Dirty as hell. Dirty as fuck. I just washed my parents' cars. They nice as fuck. Fucking burnt chicken nugget.
Hey, you know that hurts my feelings. At least call me a darkened chicken nugget.
You're burnt.
I'm not.
Just kidding. Fucking chocolate milk head ass bitch ass nigga.
I don't know.
Look at the boat. Get the boat. We can smoke all the way down here. We gotta jump the fence. You wanna smoke on the train tracks? No, you fucking crackhead.
Half over there we can go get to. See it? Right up over there.
Look.
When I be like, you can live in this city for as long as you may have ever lived in this city and still find new shit. Get off that shit before they call the cops. I didn't know this whale mural was with an orca mural.
Can I ride your motorcycle?
That didn't sound right, bro. I'm a
Pause. That was too late. Fuck.
And we started. Are you recording too? Are you on Snapchat? Hey nigga.
She's popping with it.
I'm just smoking at this nice ass fucking view. Thanks to Prince. This is his location today.
Yes, it is.
All right,
Who is it?
So the person who's on the intro and the outro today's
Cause I don't know. Who is it?
It's my homeboy Young Bala. You can find him on now all platforms. He's releasing some music slowly, but it's coming out.
Say
All
Young
types of-
Baller?
No, Young Bala.
Young Bala.
I'm gonna put it up on the screen right here.
Young Bala.
Y'all can go search him up. That nigga for real.
Look at this dude.
I'm gonna just get like a compilation of you just cheese it from like all the videos.
I got it. Shut up.
That's both my AirPods.
I'm gonna throw your shit. Look at this nigga. Look at this dude. Look at him. But yeah, bro. So, for real, this is my spot. I fuck with this shit. You know, you see the sun? See that shit, bro? This shit looks like a painting.
Imagination.
It looks like a painting. And I love it, man. I love it, for real.
I'm gonna get it later, bro.
But look,
My fucking AirPods just died.
you guys saw that? If you saw that, you saw that. I don't know if you did. But it was a duck. And it's over here getting some food right now. Let's watch. This nigga thinks he's fucking Moses. And he's about to fucking split the fucking sea in half.
You ever heard of Black Moses?
How about new?
The barnacles get to about right under where you're sitting.
What?
The barnacles get to right under where you're sitting. That's where sea level is. It's low tide right now. That means the big gonna get higher. That means if it was later in the day, it would be up here where you sitting. That's crazy. I don't think they can hear me. I don't think I'm speaking loud enough.
I don't think they can. But look, right there. Damn it.
What are you talking about?
Fucking duck. The duck is over here getting food. You see? Look, I told you.
Where's the duck?
This
This water bending ass nigga, bro.
I'm a water bender. I'm gonna kill all y'all niggas.
Bro, it's such a beautiful day today.
Because water benders can become blood benders.
I've always wanted to become a waterbender just for that reason. Just for that one reason, because, oh God. Bloodbending was like the coolest thing.
That's crazy, bro. I was like, bro.
I was like,
that
oh
is
shit,
dead
that's forbidden?
as the fucking
Oh look, it's another duck.
strongest one. Oh, what's up, my guy? What? It sounded like a goose. Sorry, that's all I'm saying. I fucking tried.
Oh, look at the dogs. Oh God, I think that's a Great Dane. That's a Shepherd. There was a third dog somewhere. Where is he? Oh, that nigga will fuck somebody up, bro. That nigga will eat your ass.
What?
Gay!
The P is within me.
I think he the shit, and he about to. I don't know. Don't break your leg, nigga. Did he think I was gonna chase his ass? He looks dumb. This nigga just ran across this, bro. I was like, what is this nigga about to... I thought he was gonna do some shit around the fucking brick. Okay.
A few moments later.
Look at this dumb dude. Look at this dude. Ready, guys? I'm gonna jump off. Move. Move.
Hold on, it says something here.
I'm gonna jump over him. Ready, guys? I am.
But yes, it says paradise, and then...
I can see his mouth and shit, bro.
Bro, we was going on a walk. We'll continue our walk. And, bro, we're not tripping, right? That yeah, you can see that clearly on camera. That fucking seagull has a starfish in its mouth. That's amazing. I didn't.
Wow.
Hold on. Oh, shit. I'm on my way. Oh, shit. All right, we got it. I got my balance. I'm on the way. I'm moving. I'm grooving. I'm on this shit. I'm taking the shortcut. Oh, shit. I'm taking the shortcut. Okay. Get back on this bitch. Ooh. Ah, you had to do that. Move out the way. I'm gonna try and get to it standing. Bro, you already put your feet down onto the rocks. Don't bust your ass trying to do this shit. I'm gonna knock on some wood. Yep. I did the same shit. W. He did it. He's him. He's Timothy. Now watch me be that nigga. I feel like I'm in a scene out of Free Willy right now. I'm still recording, nigga.
This is my idea.
I said that all the way back there. I said, you want to go get on the stick? And you said something about the stick, remember?
This is a log, sir.
Bro, you try to see the fucking balance of rocks formation over there?
Yeah.
That's dope as hell. Alright. Damn, now you got me standing here. Okay. Whew. Bro, I just had a little moment, I'm not gonna lie. This is something every nigga needs to do, and I'm gonna say this right now. Every once in a while, just go and enjoy nature, my nigga.
Been a back, I'm strong. The right mind city put on. She wanna lick on my body, I told her bitch stop it, told her bitch be gone. Big niggas can't even copy the style, that's why I be on my own. She said that I was a weird ass nigga, still sucked it like a pizzone. She was excited her time, but that I had to kick her out of my phone. Never say he a fan of me, but really that boy my clone. I had to make a decision. Keep going.